saying they got enough in the motherfucker.
All the Chevy lane. Runner. Go ahead. There's some good gas in it. Old 06. This bitch ain't ran since 06. All we did was put a starter fluid and a battery on it, man. And some gas. She's a runner, she's a track star. Yes, sir. Damn. I'll take this one that got a little bit of frozen. She's a runner, she's a track star. Blow that shit on now. That's all you got, blow out. She's a runner, she's a track star.
And you hear the shit knocking a little bit.
Yeah. The ultimate tip. Oh, let me get the light off. And I gotta close the hood.
Let's see if this motherfucker gonna start.
What? Brake fluid in. That boy about to drive. Put it in broad. Let me put the brake fluid in. Oh, you come put the brake fluid, I hold the hood. Oh yeah, that's holding. It definitely went down some, but oh man, it don't look like I missed no spots. That shit look good.
And to get rained on.
Right, and to get rained on and started last when I was doing it. Like look, this ain't stick. One little spot ain't stick.
And this the only part you ain't paint right here.
I thought I ain't do the whole middle, actually.
Oh, you
I got that shit. Damn, that shit look good. It sure don't look spray painted right now.
No, this looks like a paint job.
Right, that shit look good. That shit like matte black. I'm talking about good coverage. I couldn't see this at all. I see one strip of like blue right here, but you can't tell because that was already faded. A little bit over there. But when it's dry, we go back over it, man. This motherfucker be perfect.
Really,
but look, like I said, I don't see no run. Let me look right here where the runs came. Did I get them out? Wipe this right. Yep.
It's like right there.
They gone. I had wetted up. Once I seen the runs, I had sprayed more on it.
Right, and then
try to get it go in. Where they at? I don't see the runs. Damn. In the dark. And the rain started coming. That shit came out good. No prep, no nothing. And they the dollar cans. Come on, man. That shit look good. All of them. Yeah. Painted that bitch in the dark last night. That bitch look good.